Alright, so guys, welcome back everybody. Let's talk about where we are making money or where we losing money. And this video we're going to have a lot of winners. So far everything has been performing so good. So touch wood right there. At the moment we don't have shitty deaths and rugs. However, we don't know what's going to happen in the future. Now, spend like 10-15 minutes, watch this video. If you need to watch at 1.5 speed, go ahead and watch and you will see where are we making money. Now, before we go anywhere, do not forget that everything what I'm saying here is only my personal opinion. I'm not giving you any financial advice. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. I'm the only one YouTuber who is doing amazing donation for the world. So please watch the video what I did with the Scott the Investor a couple of days ago. Amazing dude. We did AMA. We talk about a lot about donation. Again, watch some of my videos. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. It's mean the world to me. If you need also any crypto UK tax, let me know in the DM in my Telegram, and I'm going to give you the best accounting in the whole UK. Now, when you see the market, what's happening in the market in the last 3, 4, 5 days, we have SEC is cracking down, crypto is cracking down Binance, Coinbase and everything. But we all know this is orchestra. We all know this is all coming together just to crash the market. But wherever you see the market doesn't move below 25k, you know, a lot of people saying we're going to see Bitcoin new all-time low. In the last, let's say 18 months, like below 17k. I don't believe that. If this dropped to 20k, hey, happy days. And I did a vote, okay, I did a poll in my chat, in my Telegram chat, and the poll was, what are you doing at this stage of the market? We have 73 votes. Thank you so much for everybody who vote, and we have 44%, almost half of us, we are DCA. So that is what I have been doing this morning. I have some small cash and I DCA into a lot of project. I put like in 20 different tokens. I bought, 10, 20, 30, 50 bucks, wherever I can afford to lose. Okay, now the problem is, in case like this, we always need to have some USDC. But to have that, we need to have some passive income. To have passive income, we need a passive platform. So where we are, okay, so let's talk about Pulse rate. By the way, this is coming on Pulse chain. Okay, so this is coming, the link will be in the description. The pre-sale is not live yet, will be in the next couple of days. I believe Monday or Tuesday, it depends when you watch this video, on the 12th or 13th. I believe on the 12th of this month, so maybe tomorrow when you watch this video. Go ahead, this will be the first Tom fork on Pulse chain. Okay, so next one we will, so if you don't know how to play this, go and learn first before you ape in. I'm going to ape in, not me personally, but I'm going to ape me and my team, my admins, we're going to ape together because I don't have the time. So one of my admin going to ape there in my name. Now, next one. So the first platform what I want to mention is Verse Network. I did a video for this one a couple of days ago, and there are 4 traders who are trading for you on Forex trading. Now, you can earn up to 15% a month and around 2, 3, 4% a week. It depends of their week, and you will see there they trading usually Monday to Friday because of the Forex trading, and on Friday they did 0.56%, what is very, very good. Now, how much you can earn and all that stuff, go and watch my video from previously. You need to understand that this one is on Tron network, and you need to have Tron Link wallet, and you must deposit USDT. So you go there, right here, you go there, okay, you deposit. Once you deposit, you go and purchase the package. It depends on the package. It depends how much ROI you're going to earn. Don't expect here you're going to earn overnight hundreds and hundreds of bucks. However, can be a slow platform who can last. I hope to last for quite some time, and I'm come back to you with new updates in the next week and the week after. So maybe 1, 2, twice or a couple of times a month, I'm going to do updates for this one and see how it's performing. So far, it's been so good. There is worldwide, and it's over 7,000, only 7,000 members worldwide. What's mean is very, very new. I was the first one who did the video, and now there are a couple of YouTubers who are doing the video. Now let's go to the next one. I did a great video for Delicium, couple of videos. I have couple of notes. Every note earned me around 50 Delicium per day. At the moment, at this time when I'm doing this video, this is 40% down the last a week. Let's see. This is 35% down, so 40% down the last 2 weeks. This was holding around a very nice around 0.14, 0.15, so it was around here 0.12 for quite some time, 0.11, but because of the market went down. So what I'm doing is, because I'm earning every single day Delicium, I'm getting every week, I'm claiming and I'm staking. The staking, I'm getting around 200-300% APR. So I'm trying to stake every 6, 7, 8 months, and that is locked, and then you can earn after 6, 7 months you can unlock together with your rewards. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to stake like every week or every 2 weeks. So after 6, 7 months, I'm going to be able to claim like every week or every other week. So that's my goal. That's my play with Delicium. I'm going to have a huge AMA with them in the next 10 days time. All right, so next one we have ARK. ARK is been very sad, but going down. At the moment it's $1, keeping around $1 right now. It was 1.3 last night, so went down again, 0.99 cents. Let's see how low this will go. Liquidity went up $1,000 from last night. The ILC reserve, they are keeping very strong, 308,000. So all this together, it's around 500,000. 497 and 884, if I'm precisely correct. Probably I'm good in maths, so it should be around 500,000 bucks. Okay, so when I do the next week updates, let's see if this is 500,000 or it's much less. Again, ARK paying up to 2% a day. It's ROI platform. They made a huge change in the last week because of the price drop. It was holding about 5.7 bucks, but now it's dropped to $1. I did ROI here, so what I'm doing, I'm just follow the procedure. I'm compounding, or I'll take some profits, I'll put them back, or sometimes I'm just taking small profits. Okay, so next one, Drip. Finally we have the new UI, and it's look nice, to be honest. The Drip UI looking very nice. You will see, I think the Drip draw, whatever the game was, it started right there. You can see this guy is the top burner. I think this is the Baraton Conglomerates, who is the biggest holder. So there you go. I believe it started. However, I'm not playing at the moment. I'm just into the faucet. So you can earn 1% a day. Once you deposit your Drip, you're earning 1% a day till 365%. So this is the longest living at the moment ROI DApp for the last 2 years. It's been very active. It's one more older, but this one is been active and have a huge community behind the scenes. Okay, so next one is my favorite at the moment. There are two of my favorite. One is this one. It's called Wolf Capital. Wolf Capital have over almost 7.1 million invested. Okay, so that's make these things crazy. Now they raise already 400,000 with their NFT. I cannot wait to start the copy trading. Again, make sure you understand, you listen to AMA, this is everything is risky. They have NFTs. Regarding the NFTs, you're going to get some benefits. Now remember, you need to watch the video. You can see what every benefit is bringing to you. Every benefit have copy trading, what that's I'm for, but also I got this one with one of my partners, and let's see how this is going to work in the long run. Now I'm very excited for the copy trading. What's supposed to start this week, actually next week, because today is Sunday, and I'm very excited. All right, so that's Wolf Capital. By the way, if you don't want the NFT, that's still okay. You can deposit and you can earn up to 1.5% a day till pretty much forever, till they're paying. Now at this stage, it's been this platform is all over 105 or maybe 110 days and has been performing and absolutely amazing. I really wish them all the best so they can continue this way for a long time. Now make sure you take your profits from every single platform. Here I did ROI, but I just put some profit to buy the NFT, and I hope in 1 or 2 weeks I will ROI again, and then it's all clear profit. Now next one is Green Figure. So this is from very good developer who find a trader and he is trading. You can see the live trades on. However, also you can see right here how much they earn. So this was the first week. So the first week they did an absolutely great 5.5% rewards. Now don't forget, this is paid to you weekly. Every week will be different. Sometimes going to be a 1%, maybe 5.5%, maybe 3%, maybe 2%. The whole point of trading is at the end of the month to have more winning days than losing days. So that's the whole point. This is BUSD in Binance, on Binance Chain. The link, all the links will be in the description if you want to join. Also, my team, I think it doesn't make any difference. However, if you decide to join, the address, you can go and update here my address. If I make any money from the profits, they're all going to go for the kids in India where I'm helping. Usually 90% up to 100%, sometimes even more. Usually also I'm giving my profits all to the kids. I'm going there in September, and I need to save some money for donations when I get there. Okay, next one is 9to5. 9to5 have 346,000 deposit. Now they dropped the revenue, the daily ROI, it was up to 2%, but now they dropped to 0.6%. And I believe, as I talked with the developer recently, he says they can sustain this one. I think very soon they're making some change. 0.6, not a lot of people are happy, but hey, it's better to pay than don't pay. So far so good. So what I'm doing is I stake, I compound a couple of times, and now I'm going to probably compound for the next 1 or 2 weeks, and then I will do 50-50 strategy. Now 0.6% maybe is not a lot, but if this pays for a long run, well, we all can be a winners there. Now make sure you go there, check the Telegram, check what they're doing. They're having some new updates coming very soon, and I cannot wait for that. Now what we have next, let me see. Oh yeah, by the way, this is coming from Crypto Richie, okay? Amazing guy, amazing YouTuber. Now he's going to have a couple of platforms coming up, popping up in his I guess ecosystem, or whatever you call it, and he have a poop NFT. I did a video for this one. You can buy one because it's you're going to have a lot of benefits if you hold one of these poop NFT. I have one, but maybe I should buy one more. Why? Because if you have some whitelist, he will give you a whitelist spot. If you have some kind of new platform, you can ape in first, and so on and so on. So you can buy, you can use the link, so you can buy one right there. You can connect your wallet, and you can buy in using 0.1 Ethereum on Matic chain. You can share your link, you can earn some money if you want. I think it's 10% extra you earning from every mint somebody use your referral link. Now it's a long history here to say, but I think this guy have a long roadmap to go, so it's not going to disappear tomorrow, because he will don't ruin the reputation just for a couple of NFTs. So well done, Crypto Richie, crack on with whatever you're doing. Now last platform what I want to mention, and also one of my top favorite, is Elephant Money. I did a huge AMA. Go and watch the AMA. It's everything explained for futures and Elephant token. Now I'm aping into farms, and also we're going to do AMA very soon. In the next Saturday, actually, is booked already. At 5 p.m. UTC time, we're going to talk about farms and trunk. I'm going to talk about farms because it's very interesting how they work without losing of impermanent loss. So that's where I'm aping right now. Now, if you want to buy Elephant token, well, let's see the Elephant token, how it's performing. Okay, let's see it. Elephant Money token. Okay, it's 0.167, what is keeping very strong at this stage. Okay, because of the market went down, it's keeping very strong. You will see in the next 1 year is 130% up. Now they have a big things coming up with this one. I'm talking about what's called shocking supply. What's supposed to happen in the next 5, 6, 8 weeks time, this summer, let's say, and let's see how it's going to perform. Again, this is very complex, very interesting, and very unique platform. I just listened the guy, the main developer, who says there are around 40 or maybe 60, if I'm not mistaken, different contracts in all these platforms. That is crazy, guys. That is crazy. Maybe I should get him for AMA one time. Now, again, Go and watch some of the AMA, what I did. I think it's huge. If you decide to join here, make sure you use right here when you go to partner network and add my address right there, because you're going to get, and me, we're going to get 0.5% bonus. Okay, so that's good. If you decide to buy tokens, by the way, from the Elephant token, buy from here, go to Elephant and buy from here. The fee are a little bit more expensive, $4 or $5, but you are saving 1.5% extra, and it's also helping the project. Okay, so you buying with Berta, what is the BUSD treasury. All right guys, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Let me know if I'm missing any platforms. If I missed some platforms, I'm sorry about that. And let me know which one of these is your top favorite platform. Again, thank you so much. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is Cryptophile and I'm out. Goodbye.